Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In How to Train Your Dragon 2, the once lanky Hiccup, voiced by Jay Baruchel, is now 20 years old and no longer the runt of the litter. He's been Neville Longbottomed, jokes the film's head of character animation, Simon Otto.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Hiccup Horrendous Haddock 3. Hiccup Horrendous Haddock 3 is the protagonist of the How to Train Your Dragon franchise. He is 15 years old in the first film, the 3 specials, Riders of Berk, and the comics.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.